Alright, so this is a case that we need to go over. So you just finished your full yellow top, and but if you look on the top layer, nothing matches up. It's all just like jumbled up. So what you want to do is match up any corner. Like, see how this is orange and green? You just match up with the orange and green and put that to your left hand. Okay? So yeah, now we do this algorithm.
Algorithm, we already did it.
Yeah, we've already done it. So you go right, counterclockwise, front clockwise, right, counterclockwise, back 2 times, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, B2, and then R2. So now look, we have that already matched up, and we put that to the back, do the same algorithm. B2. Alright, now we have this when it's all on all of the 4 sides. What you do is you do that algorithm again. So you just do any side. Okay, and now that gives us, look around, we see the red is right there matched up. Do it again facing over here, behind you, or facing away from you. Same algorithm. And now look at that, solved cube. But, so this is what will usually happen. You'll have a solved side, and then like this, and this. All of them out of place except for this side. So what you want to do is put this, the solved side, away from you, and then you do this algorithm. F2, front 2 times, and then see how this is the blue spot that is out of place. You look on this side and see, oh, there's mostly green over here. You look on this side and say, oh, there's mostly blue over here. So you bring the top to whichever color this wants to go to. So it wants to go to most blue over here. So you do, I'm not going to name it because you'll just remember that. So you just bring the top to whichever way, and it's that way. It happened to be clockwise. So once you do that, you do left and right down. Yeah. And then you do F2, front clockwise twice, left and right back up, and then you'll see that you have these are right next to each other, and this is a green over here. You look over here and see how that isn't matched up. Okay, so you look around and say, hey, that does match up, and then I'm pretty sure you can just like figure it out from there.
There you go. You solved your first Rubik's Cube.
Solved cube. You should be celebrating right now because you just solved one of these. Yeah, nice.
So, alright, so I'm Brandon.
And I'm Dylan.
And that was our 3x3 Rubik's Cube tutorial. Hopefully it worked for you because that's the easiest method I know.
If you couldn't figure that out, you might be mentally retarded.
I'm sorry to admit it, but it just might be.
That's true. Because, I don't know, we explained that pretty slow, pretty easy, and hopefully you did get it, and if you didn't, you should leave us some questions down there, comment box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the good thing about this method now is that now that you know this method, you can solve a K8 ball. You can solve that. You can solve.
We'll probably make a tutorial soon on how to solve it.
Then you can solve this cube, a 2x2, any 2x2, and you can solve.
You can solve most of this.
You can solve most of a 4x4 with this method, so it's really universal.
Same thing with a 5x5.
Yep. So this is my favorite method because you can use it on pretty much everything.
And like, if you want to do a Siamese cube, you just have to learn a few more algorithms, but most of them
are the same thing.
Same algorithms.
So, anyways, we hope you enjoyed it. So please comment, rate 5 stars, and favorite.
Subscribe.
Sounds good.
Bye.
Thanks, guys.